Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you beautiful crochet wall hanging design ideas. So viewers, butterfly crochet wall art. Butterfly can make a beautiful and delicate wall decoration. Create crochet butterfly in different size and color. Arrange them as if they are upward across the wall. This design is perfect for bedrooms, craft room, or children's space. Moon and star crochet hanging for a dreamy decoration. Create crochet moon and star. Use white, cream, silver, or soft pastel yarn. Attach the shape to a wooden branch in small bits. This can create a peaceful and magical atmosphere, especially in a bedroom. Medlar crochet wall hanging and friends, viewers, so a crochet can become a beautiful centerpiece for a wall. Use circle crochet pattern with repeating stitches and color. You can choose right color for a bold or natural shade for a clean and elegant design. A large look especially beautiful above a sofa, bed, or side table as console table. Crochet and wooden wall hanging. So viewers, my next idea is friends, viewers, for a natural and modern look, combine crochet with wood. Attach your crochet design to a smooth wooden branch or wooden door. Add small wooden beads to the hangings. The combination of soft yarn and natural wood create a beautiful contrast. Crochet heart wall hanging. So viewers, a heart-shaped crochet wall hanging can add a warm and personal touch to your home. You can make one large heart or small heart. Use red or pink for a romantic or cream for a more style. It can also make a thoughtful handmade gifts. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.